All right, so we will be working on the ultrasonic sensor. First project in continuation with the LED. So what we'll do is we have 4 pins. We'll do VCC to ground, trigger, and then the echo pin. And while I'm doing this, I can explain what the ultrasonic sensor does. So essentially, it will send out waves from the transmitting to whatever the distance we want to measure it to, and if it hits that distance, then it will receive it through the receiving end and notify us in the program, or we can see with the serial monitor what the distance is. So here I am adding the male and female wires to the 4 pins. So red, VCC, black is ground, trigger is brown, orange is echo. And then I will add this. I will put VCC and ground to the red and the blue on the breadboard. So now I will connect VCC from 5 volts from the Arduino, which is right here, to the breadboard, and then ground to this point. And then trigger, we set trigger and echo to be 12 and 11. So trigger is 12 and echo is 11. So here's how our hardware looks right now. Speaker like this, right? So now we can run the program, upload it, run it, and so here's our code. We have include new ping, which is pretty much tell us the ping of the ultrasonic sensor. We defined the trigger pin to be 12, and then we defined the echo pin to be 11, and the maximum distance we want it to be is 200. So with the new ping sensor, is trigger pin, echo pin, and max distance. We declared that, and then the void setup, we declared serial point begin to be 9600. And then in the void loop, we have the integer distance sonar dot ping centimeters. So what that will do is ping and get the distance in centimeters. And then we have the distance, serial dot print distance, which will print the distance. And then we have print ping, which will print ping whenever we see it, and then in centimeters. Then we have the void do delay, which will delay for 500 milliseconds. So here we have the serial monitor, and whenever I put my hand, it will print a result of how close it is or how far it is from the trigger and receiving pin. So this is how the hardware works with the program.